Wow. No, this is a real EAS. Well, somebody's weather radio went off. These are live streaming.
The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Los Angeles County in southwest California until 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:33 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 6 miles west of Palmdale, or near Lancaster, and moving northwest at 15 miles an hour. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. The forecast for the Los Angeles